Dart manipulation is the act of moving a dart to another location or eliminating it altogether while still keeping the shape of your garment. There are two ways to do this, and I'm going to show you both using what is called a half-scale pattern. So it's like if I took your Berta dress sloper, I stuck it in a Xerox machine and I reduced it down by 50%, it would fit this half-scale dress form. So that's what we're working with today. The first way of manipulating our dart is to eliminate it. I have a copy of my bodice sloper, and I have two darts. I have a waist dart and a bust dart. First thing we want to do is elongate one of the legs, and I usually use the leg that's closest to center front, all the way up to the apex. Then I come over to my bust dart and I choose the same side of the dart to elongate that leg. They should intersect right at the apex. So to eliminate the dart, we're taking all the fullness that's over here and we're putting it into the waist dart. Take your scissor and cut along the elongated line, all the way up to the apex. Then on the bust dart, cut along the same line, all the way to the apex without separating the pattern. We want to be able to pivot this piece. Next, I'm going to pivot this over, closing up, in theory, the bust dart. Tape it in place. Now I have the bust dart, all the fullness is now in the waist dart, and we just need to back this with paper. To get the shape at the bottom, it's best if you fold your dart over and trim along the waistline. Now we have the new shape. You've now eliminated your bust dart.